There will be things in season 2 that will help people that are stuck in pain or situations that they feel like they can't change. And there will be things that will help them to overcome.
Again, people that have not graced church doors, in many cases, for their entire life. The homies on the corner, as you're driving by or walking by, will say, hey, you're cool, I saw you on TV, I'm gonna come to your church. And the truth of the matter is that come to church and are connected and we're watching lives being changed. So it's just a beautiful thing for us.
It's time now for you all to see episode 1 of season 2 of The Preachers of LA. Enjoy!
We've got 6 guys. We're all at different places in our journey. We're all facing different situations. Some of us, it's with family. Others, it's other things. And we work through these things. We don't quit.
When you get in a room like that.
Kind of flexing a little bit.
Yeah, you get in a room with a group of leaders, pack leaders. You're going to get a little bit of that. Very rarely do guys articulate it. But again, dealing with a few guys that'll let you know exactly what's on their mind.
Yeah, definitely.
It is a blessing and an honor to see men of God that will reach out to everyone, and especially the unchurched.
They're staying in their lane, but at the same time, they're walking in integrity and doing their thing for the sake of the gospel, and I've got to back that up.
Season 2, episode 1, bunch of people from right here came out, filled up the auditorium. Great night, great questions. People loved it. They're stoked about Preachers of LA. It's coming, man.